Hey guys, it's the Computer Doctor here. Today we're going to be working on a Dell G3 1579 gaming laptop. This is a customer brought it in for a fan replacement and the thermal paste replacement. So stay tuned for the thermal paste replacement video. Right now we're going to do the fan replacement. I have received here two brand new fans. So we're going to stick them on. Sorry about the video quality. I'm doing this with one hand. I am using my cell phone because my tripod on my camera broke. So what you got to do here is you got to take all these screws out except for this one right here and this one right here. All you gotta do is loosen them. And don't forget about the one in the middle. Like I said, this is a Dell G3 1579. So what you need to do first is take, like I said, these screws out. And like I said, you're going to have to bear with me because I am using one hand. If you have any questions about laptops, PCs, Android devices, Apple devices, leave your comments down below, and I will try to answer them. This is my first YouTube video. Like I said, I go by the Computer Doctor. I've been working on computers for many years. I work on computers, phones, laptops, tablets, and all of that. Like I said, you're going to have to bear with me. I'm using one hand, holding my phone with the other. We got one more screw to take out, then we can pop the back off. Stay tuned for part 2 of this computer here repair. As soon as I get thermal paste, I'll make a video on how to replace it. Now we got all the screws out that's supposed to come out. What you gotta do is here in the top right corner, just nice and gently. Now this ain't the first time this computer's been apart. Just nice and gently, just pop it off. Now let's get it turned around here. Now as you can see, we got this computer's got two fans. So we're going to have to remove them. So what you need to do is, this is how I do it. I take my screwdriver and I just gently pop these out. Sometimes they're a little fiddly, Sometimes they're not. Sometimes they'll work with you. As you can see, it's that easy to pop them out. Now you got 2 screws. You got one here and one here in this fan. Then you got one here and one here in this fan. Now we gotta remove the screws. Make sure you keep the screws separate from the ones on that goes on the outside of the case. That's why I've got a little mat here to keep my screws nice and separate. And I'm sorry about my hand getting in the way. One more screw to take out. Now all you gotta do is just gently pop it out like that. Now this one here, it's got a cord, it's got a wire run around it. So what you need to do is just gently pop the wire off of the fan, then gently pull the fan out. Now we're going to take our replacement fans. Got them right here. Bear with me, I gotta open them. Okay, there's our first replacement fan. Look how gorgeous that looks. Nice brand new fans. So we're going to pop these in. This one here will be this one here. And then let's get the other one out. Sorry about that, folks. It's hard to do this with one hand while trying to record with the other. And we got our other one out. So what? Now, they didn't send me 2 CPU fans, did they? No. Because these ones look different. Oh, never mind. Okay, this is very simple to do. All you gotta do, put this in just like this. It fits nicely. Then, you gotta just gently, let's get this around here. Grab this. Sorry about my hands being in the way. Just want to grab this. I would recommend you using a pair of tweezers so you can be able to grab this and insert it in the hole. And just to let you know, it is a little bit of a tight fit. But once you get it in there, it should fit just fine. I would be using my tweezers, but I don't know where they are right now. So, you just take this. It helps if I put it in the right way. Take it. and gently shove it in like that. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with the other. But this here's going to be a little different. That's not it. This here's going to be a little different because this here, we got the cord for the monitor. Oops. Sorry about that. See this here? We got this cord that goes around here. So what you need to do is you got little, oops, my fingers are in the way. You got these little clips right, these little brackets right here that the cord goes right into. So all you gotta do is just gently after you get it lined up. Oops, I don't even have it lined up. All you gotta do is just gently put it around there like that. You gotta make sure your hard drive cord is, your hard drive cable is not in the way, your flex cable. Then you gotta bring this up and over, just like that. Bring this up and over. Then just gently put these down in these little grooves. Like I said, you gotta keep this out of the way. And then once you got these down in the little grooves, you wanna do the same thing you did on the other side. Take your connector here and just easily just like so, just easily put it right down there. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand, and usually I would be using tweezers, but once again, I misplaced mine and I don't know where they are at. So just this simple, just easily shove it right in, just like that. And now all you gotta do is do the reverse. Put the screws back in. So let's put the screws back in where they belong. You got one that goes here. Like I said, once again, sorry about the video. My tripod broke. Therefore, I can't use my camera right now like I normally would. So, please just bear with me. Now, once you get the screw in, just screw it on down. Got one side down, one in. Stick the other one in. Sorry about this, folks. Can't stress enough. I'm using one hand. And doing this, it's not a good idea to use one hand. But if you're as good as me, you could do this stuff blindfolded. Now you do the same thing on the other side. Put this screw in. Screw it on down. And then put the last one in. That's it, folks. You got your new fans installed on your Dell G3 1579 gaming laptop. As you can see, both new fans are in. Now all you want to do is do the reverse, put your cover back on, screw it all down. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. And if you get a screw stuck in there, it's no problem. Just pop it out, off, and let's take it out. Once again, this is the Computer Doctor, where I'm here to make your computer all nice and healthy. So if your computer's sick, you got a computer question, leave a comment down below. And I'll be sure to answer you as quickly as possible. You want to make sure you got everything lined up. Okay, just a few more screws to go and then we're all done. It's that simple. That's a few minutes of work. And that's it. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like I said, stay tuned for part 2 of this computer, where I'll be replacing the thermal paste. Right now, I'm out of thermal paste, and which I use Arctic Silver 5, and excuse me, and it hasn't came in yet. So as soon as it comes in, we'll be all set, and we'll have some fresh thermal paste in this, and the customer will be all good to go. Once again, this is the Computer Doctor. Thanks for watching. This is my first YouTube video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And just have fun. And stay safe. Now, let's turn this bad boy on and see how it's going to work. With these nice new fans. Oh, look at that. Still working like a charm. That's all I got for you in this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Be safe out there and have a nice day.